Now let us write a program which prints out whether the user enter character is a vowel or consonant. So for that, let us consider is equal to gets. We are not converting into integer, so only c is equal to gets. Now we are checking c is equal to a, or c is equal to a e I o u, right? E c is equal to I, because we are comparing the strings, we should have to put it in the colons. Colon o, c is equal to colon u. So if any one of this is true, so I know what is this. This is a or operator. This or this or this or this or this. If any one of this is true, then, so hope you have read the text which I have sent in the lectures. Please read it before going through this. So if any of this condition is true, then let's write the character first. Put c means whatever user enter first, it will be entered, and then we will put is vowel, else puts first the value of c. We can write in a single line also, is consonant. So, and then don't forget to write end. That's it, we have finished the program. Now let us save it and run it. Save it, and because we are using gets, we can't test it here. And see, go to the Ruby, and this is my file. It is waiting. Let us enter a and press enter. So a is a consonant. So let us add some more to the code for better puts enter any alphabet, and at the end we will be writing puts press enter to exit. Let me save it, and now if we open it, so we enter any alphabet. This time let us say G and press enter. G is a consonant. So here G and E's consonant are printing in separate lines. Now we will be making a small arrangement so that everything will be printed in the same line. So we know puts will put in this, we will be using print. Here also let us change something so that it is better readability. Print C comma, and give the space here first, give the space here, okay, and is vowel. Save it, open the file, run it, enter any alphabet. Let us say D. So D is a consonant. Press enter to exit. So hope you understood. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.